Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table in Gmail. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to click on three dots. There is 9 dots. Then you need to scroll and click on Docs. So then you need to click on Blank, and here you need to click on Insert and click on Table. So you can see that I created a random table. Then you need to copy that table, click on Ctrl C. Then you need to go into the Gmail address, that is Gmail, and then you need to click on Compose, and here you can paste a table and send to the any recipient, and here you can name the table O5s for example. So this is a process by which you can create table in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.